Managing your fast-growing company's tech team can be extremely difficult. But hey, that's alright. There's an easy way of hiring and managing that perfect tech team. OSTDO, ever heard of it? Offshore Tech Development Office, where a company can set up their software development team in under 20 days. Have your own team of quality developers from Bangladesh, working in highly equipped offices handled by senior project managers. Build your team the way you like. Add resources to your internal setup or build a complete team of offshore developers. Overlapping time zones, fast onboarding, experienced project managers, all in one price, local contracting and payment, all that you need to make your life easier. Let's show you more on how OSTDO works. With few clicks, tell us what you're looking for, and we will provide you with screened and pre-vetted quality talents relevant to your requirements. Select your preference and get in a brief call with us to discuss further about your preferred modality and requirements, and your team will be ready to go. All of it in less than 20 days. All contracting and admin support will be provided by us at a monthly subscription-based model. Can you trust us? Damn right you can. Trusted by industry leaders all over the globe, we have been delivering excellence for over 15 years. Centralize your hiring. Distribute your teams. With Ban Base.